guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a cover or a thumbnail for your project. Now this is going to get people to click on it and you're going to get more views. So the first step is obviously creating your cover. Now this is probably the hardest part, but you can use any software to make it. The next step is to import it into Scratch and then to code it. So all you need to do is drag in a when flag is clicked and then go into looks, drag in a show, drag in a go to front, put it before there, and drag in a hide. Then the next thing you want to do is simply go into motion and drag in this at the top and say go to X0, Y0. This is the center of the screen. Next step is to drag in this wait 1 second in between the show and the hide and change it to 0.1. Now all you do is you just go like that, so here, and you can see that it looks pretty cool, and this is basically what it's going to look like to people who click on your game. So this is what they're going to see before. All you have to do then is just click save now, and then the next step is to simply take this out and then go here. As you can see, for our latest project, this one, you can see it says pop, click to play. There you go. You're going to get a lot more views that way, and it's going to help out all your games, and it's going to make them a lot better. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.